So hello everyone, welcome back to Educlynk. So today we are going to propose a detailed solution to exercise 1. So we'll go straight to the point. The question says thus, or the question goes thus. An organic compound contains 40% carbon, 12% hydrogen, and 48% oxygen. The molar mass of the organic compound is 400. Determine Roman 1, the empirical formula. Roman 2, the molecular formula. In this case, now we are going to actually identify the elements found in the compound. We have carbon. So we have carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So here is a solution. So having carbon, the percentage of carbon is, or calcium, sorry. So yes, calcium. So calcium. Percentage of calcium is 40. That of carbon is 12. That of oxygen is 48%. So our organic compound contains 40% calcium, 12% carbon, and 48% oxygen. So the solution of our equation goes thus. We divide by the molar masses. So we know that the relative atomic mass for calcium is 40, carbon is 12, hydrogen or oxygen is 16. So we divide by the molar masses. Calcium is 40, carbon is 12, oxygen is 16. By so doing, we are going to have 1, yes, 1, yes, 3. We'll divide by the smallest ratio. Divided by the smallest ratio, here we divide by 1, divide by 1, divide by 1. So 1 divided by 1 is 1, 1 divided by 1 is 1, 3 divided by 1 is 3. So the empirical formula equals calcium CO3. So that's the empirical formula of the compound. Actually, the compound is calcium carbonate. So what we want to calculate what? So there was 1 or Roman 1. Roman 2 now are determining what? Roman 2 was determining the molecular formula. So to determine the molecular formula, apply the formula. So N into empirical formula equals to molecular formula. So N into calcium carbonate equals to the mass of the compound. So the mass of the compound is 100. So equals 100. Such that calcium is 40, N into 40 plus 12 plus 16 times 3 equals 100. 100 N equals 100. Because 40 plus 12 plus 16 times 3 is 100. So N equals to 1. This implies molecular formula equals to 1 into calcium carbonate, which is equals to calcium carbonate. So the molecular formula of the compound is calcium carbonate. So that is all about exercise 1. Exercise 1, the main task here was to determine the empirical formula and the molecular formula of calcium carbonate. Thank you for watching and follow more on Educlynk.